Hi everyone. Hi. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Hi everyone. Yes. Hi. So today again once again we are here. So go through the linear equation in the last week where we have stopped. From there we will continue. I think all of you can hear my voice. Yes. Clear? Whether my voice is clear? Yes. Hello everyone. So my voice is clear to you. Yes. Yes. Okay. Let us start today's class. So where are the other students? I don't know. Just to tell you your friends to join quickly as early as possible. Yes. Okay, quickly. Okay, let me start now today's class because it is already time. So let us start today's class. Okay. So some students are joining. Let them join. For we will wait for 2 minutes. Okay. So after 2 minutes we will start. So tell your friends to join quickly because after 2 weeks I think because last week you had exam. For that purpose I have not conducted any classes in between. So not to disturb for the exam. So 1 week I kept it. I have not taken any classes. So today again it will start. So several students are feeling that there is no class. So inform them from today again it is continuously you are going to have the class. Yes. So let me start today's class. So they will join in between. Okay. Let me start the today's class. Hi everyone. So starting with the intro. Welcome to PSM Perfectsolutionformath. I am your tutor Sumanth. Today we are going to learn the linear equation in two variables. In the linear equation of two variables, we have gone through the exercise 4.2, and today is the new thing to learn. That is exercise 4.2 we have learned. Now we are moving towards the 4.3. Why I have directly went to 4.3? You may ask. I have not taught anything in 4.3 before going to the exercise, but 2 weeks back when you had exam, before that I had given the homework for you, and maximum of you have solved and some of you are not solved, I know that. So that question was that x plus y is equals to 4. The question was x plus y is equals to 4. You have to draw the graph for x plus y is equals to 4. This was the question was given. If you say no sir, you are not given, the proof here only we have, that is x plus y is equals to 4. That homework question what I have given to draw the graph. So before going to that, first we will see how to draw a graph. So before drawing a graph, we have to find the x and y value. So here there are four equation. There are four equations, that is x plus y is equal to 4, x minus y is equal to 2, y is equal to 3x, and 3 is equal to 2x plus y. These are the four questions we have. In that I am going for the first one. Okay, I am going for the first one, and this is the CBSE syllabus as well as the state syllabus also, so you can go through the state syllabus and CBSE syllabus, but in CBSE syllabus the exercise number 4.3. So let us move from this exercise 4.3, the first one. The first question, x plus y is equals to 4. How to find a graph? How to draw a graph here? Hi everyone. How to draw a graph here? Most importantly, whenever we want to draw a graph, we have to convert this equation. Once again, I am talking. Yes, first one was solved. First one was solved. Yes, I have solved the first one already. Give the answer quickly. First one was solved. If I have solved the first one, I will move on to the second one. So you have to say it to me correctly, whether I have solved the first one or not solved the first one. I have given the homework, I think. Yes, in that graph. Yes, I have solved. Okay, then first one is solved, no need once again. Yes, previous class I have solved, no problem. Then no need for that. X plus y is equals to 4. Then we will move on to the next question, that is x minus y is equals to 2. Okay, then we will go for second question then. So already solved it seems, and all of you draw it in your graph book. Okay, all of you go in your graph book. You have to take the graph book. In that you have to write down this all these things. So the second one I am going to take now, because first one already solved it since. Yes, homework. Okay, first one was the given as a homework, so you might have solved that. Yes, so second one I will solve then, because both are similar, not a problem. Both are similar way. Both are what? Similar type. Okay, so let us go for the x minus y is equals to 2. X minus y is equals to 2. What is the first step here we have to use? Here the thing is we have to use is we have to write down this x minus y is equals to 2 in terms of y is equals to. We have to write down this as what? Y is equals to. So first one we will shift. Remember here we have to shift the x actually, but I am not shifting the x because x is containing the positive value and y is containing the negative. So negative is y, so I am shifting the y. Remember, whenever you will get like this problem which is negative symbol, that you shift it. So the answer will become x is equals to 2 plus y. Why I have shifted y? I might have shifted x first, but I am not shifting the x because x is positive. If I shift the x on the right hand side, it will become negative, and the minus y will remain here only on the left hand side. So avoid that minus y to remain in the left hand side. I am shifting only the minus y on the right hand side, it becomes the plus y. So next step is keep that y as it is, you keep that x as it is, but shift this 2 on the other side, because we have to write down in terms of y is equals to. So y is equals to, now you can see x minus 2 we got what? X minus 2. So y value is nothing but x minus 2. So this is the first step. Anyone those who have a doubt here, you can ask me. Here I have shifted the y I have kept it on the one side and everything I have shifted to the other side. Understood? So this is the first one. So here we got the equation y is equals to, because we need that y is equals to always. We are not supposed to change that anything. We have to keep that y is equals to. So y value will become x minus 2. So what is the next step? Anyone? What is the next step? Quickly. We have got the equation that y is equals to x minus 2. So what is the next step? Quickly. That we have to substitute. I have told in a previous class. We have to find the x and y value. We have to draw one table. So I will draw one table here. I will draw one table here. At least you have to find 4 values. Okay, at least you have to find the 4 values, because at least 3 is enough, but 4 you find it will be good. If you'll find the 4 means it will be good. Yes, we have to substitute that x is equals to 1 2 3. So I will tell you that at least you have to find 4 values, then it will be good, because you are not going to get the wrong answer. Okay, then we have taken the table. This table and everything you have to draw on the right hand side of your graph. All of you take this one, you have to write it in the right hand side of the graph, only the graph on the left hand side. So now very importantly, first we will substitute the x is equals to. The equation is y is equals to x minus 2. So if x is equals to, we can take 1, we can take 0, anything. So first, yes, 1 you can take, or you can go with the 0 first. X is equals to 0. What is the y value? Y is equals to, same equation, x value is 0 minus 2. 0 minus 2, the y value will become how much? Minus 2. Yes, the y value will become how much? Minus 2. So when the x value is 0, the y value is minus 2. When the x value is 0, the y value is minus 2. See here. When the x value is 0, the y value is minus 2. Similarly, the second one, second part. If x is equals to, you can take any number. You can take 1, yes, you can take 1, you can take 2, you can take 3, you can take any one value. So here 1 I will take. So y value is equals to, x value is 1 now, 1 minus 2. So y value will become minus 1. So here when the x is 1, the y value is minus 1. So x is 1, the y value is minus 1. You are getting it? Anyone have a doubt means you can ask me. Now if x is equals to 2, so y is equals to, now x value is how much? 2. 2 minus 2. In place of x we have to substitute this x value. So 2 minus 2 is how much? 0. So when the x value is 2, y value is 0. So we can take like this way. And similarly the last one, yes, we have to go for the last one now. So now last one, if x is equals to 3, I can take, what is the y value? 3 minus 2, 3 minus 2 is 1. So when x is equals to 3, y value is 1. So any doubt if you have, you can ask me quickly ask. Here you can see. Any doubt? Okay. So this is the part. This is the way you have to write down your answer. This is 3, okay? This is 1. Okay. After this much, your right hand side work is finished. Your right hand side work is finished. Now you have to move on to the left hand side. Now left hand side of your graph. Left side of your graph you have to move. Now all of you have written, I think. Now we have to draw the graph. To draw the graph, take this table. The table is important. This table is important. What you have done here, this table is very important, remember. So I have done little bit smaller inside the table, and I will take little bit up. So I think all of you have taken the everything. Now we have to draw the graph. So draw the lines. Now all of you draw the lines of the graph. Hi everyone. So this is the line what I have drawn, and here one more line I will draw. So I have not taken the x value as a negative and all. So I can take to the positive towards only. So I will take from here, and this line. I will take this line towards the, okay, somewhere here. This is the way how you have to represent the line. Okay, this is the x-axis and the y-axis already finished. Now let us move with the graph. In the graph, once again, all of you remember, when you are drawing a graph, first important thing, what you have to write, all of you quickly. What you have to write is the starting. What you have to write at the starting? Quickly. The origin is 0. O is the origin. So origin is the 0. So I have to write on the 0. Yes, axis. Very good. The x-axis, and here we have to write x dash. And on the top we have y, and down we will have y dash. Okay. Then we have to write on scale. Very good. The scale we have to write it down. But while writing the scale, where you will find the space, there you can write on the scale x-axis and y-axis. But importantly, how much centimeter and all afterwards we will write it down, because first we have to note down the numbers. So x-axis, if you see it clearly, the x-axis number, if you will see it clearly, one second, okay, here we have that x-axis number, the maximum number is 3 and smaller number is 0. So 3 we must get till here. So what we have to take, little bit we can leave some space. So 3 centimeter space I can leave. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3. You can see lots of space I have. 4 it is, and the 5. According to your graph, you can draw you can leave how much lines you want to leave. Understood? That is not compulsory how to leave the 3 lines only. You can leave more than 3 or less than 3 according to your graph. So I can write down here x-axis. X-axis is I have left how much lines? 3 lines. So 3 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. And similarly, y-axis also, the maximum is 1 and negative 2 minus 2 we have. So I will leave here, it is 3 also. Again I can leave the 3. So here I will take minus 1 and I will take here minus 2, because the y value is smallest is minus 2 and the greatest is 1. So here also I have to leave 1. Okay, you can draw whichever graph which you like, no problem. No problem with the graph. Okay. So next one, the y-axis also same thing I have taken 3 centimeters 1 unit, because here you can see 3 centimeter have left, 1, 2 and 3. 3 centimeter have left for 1 unit. According to your graph, you have to write on the scale, not using my scale, because I will not have similar lines as your graph. Okay. The next one important is the marking of the point. First one, when it is 0, x value is 0, y value is minus 2. So x value is 0, where it is? The x value is 0 here. Y value is minus 2 is here, down on the y axis. So this is y dash. Okay, you have already know y dash it is. So here it is. The first point is over here. Okay, we have to move on to the next point now. X value, first point is finished. The second point we have 1 and minus 1. Where it will come 1 and minus 1? 1 is here, you can see 1 is here and minus 1 is here, and both of them will intersect at the point. This is our 1 and minus 1. Yeah, this is our 1 and minus 1. Third point we have here is 2 and 0, means x-axis is 2. So x is 2 here, y value is 0, so it is meeting on the x-axis only. It is meeting on the x-axis only. Okay. So next one we have one more, 3 and 1. X-axis is 3 and the y-axis is 1. So 3 is over here and the y is over here 1. So both of them will meet at a single point. This is the point, is the third one. Okay. So now very importantly we have to join all these points. What is this point? Second point, third point and the fourth point. We have to join. Before joining you can give the name for that, that is minus, that is 0 and minus 2, and this point is 1 and minus 1, and this point and 2 and 0, and last point is 3 and 1. So this point name I have already given. So write it in your book. And lastly, we have to join that line. So take a line, take a scale, and try to join them in a single line. It must be a straight line. If it is not coming a straight line, then you have done something mistake. All the 4 points what you have taken, it must passes through the same line. If one point is little bit right side and one point on little bit left hand side also, it is not your correct answer. You have done something wrong then. This is your answer. So after this scale you have written the numbers and everything, but one thing is missing. What is that one thing? What is the one more thing you have to write it down when the graph is given? What is that one more thing? Anyone? One more thing we have to note it down. This is your answer, but you have to write down one more thing. What is that one more thing? Do you know? You remember that? One more thing we have to write it down. What is that? Yes, we have to write down the equation. That equation what they have given before, that is nothing but x minus y is equals to 2. So equation you have to write down here, anywhere you can write down x minus y is equals to 2 is the equation of this linear graph. Okay, so this is all about the graph, and if you solve like this way, totally you are going to get the 4 marks question. This is the 4 marks question. So for to get the 4 marks, very importantly, you have to convert that equation and you have to write down these points. After writing that, you have to write it in a table. After writing in a table, you have to draw the graph. After drawing the graph, you have to write down the scale. After drawing the scale, you have to write down the linear equation. If you will do this much, totally 4 marks question. So very important question, just you note it down. And so on, you are going to have another 2 questions. So which one I have to solve quickly, how to inform me. So again 2 more questions are there. So I think you have done this. If you have doubt, you can ask me. Otherwise, you can go through this another 2 questions. Which one I have to solve? Here we have the question. First one I have already given to you. Second one also just now I have finished. So third and fourth, which one I have to solve quickly? Give me which question I have to solve, the third or fourth. One question I will solve and one more for your work. Today you can do it very easily. Not a difficult one. Which one? Third one or fourth one? Y is equals to 3x or 3 is equals to 2x plus y? So which one I have to solve? Okay, third one. Okay, third one I have to solve. Third one or fourth one? Quickly, third one. Okay, 2 members are saying third one and one is saying the fourth one. Okay, several students are going for the third one question. So let me go with the third one because third one is easy actually. Actually, third one is very easy. Compare it. The fourth one is also very easy, no problem. Yes, third and fourth both are simple. Same types. Which one? Okay. According to your this one, at maximum of you are going for the third one. So I will move on to the third one only. Okay, third one only I will move. So y is equals to 3x. The fourth one is our work plan. Okay, third one I will solve. The fourth one is for your work. So do it. All of you, the fourth one as a work. The third one question is y is equals to 3x. First main, third one. Y is equals to 3x. So in this question also directly again no need to convert. Here one thing you remember, here no need to convert in terms of y is equals to because already they have given y is equals to. Already they have given y is equals to 3x, so no need to convert it into a y is equals to because already you have the equation. So next what is the step? Directly first one. You have to write down the table. So write it down on table over here. Put one table, that is at least a 4 numbers we have to find. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and one more we will put. Yes, 5 numbers, that is 4 numbers we have to find. So 4 blocks I have given. This is x, this is y. So put that x is equal to some value and find the y value. If x is equals to, okay, anyone, you can see it later on also, it will be in the YouTube only, so you can get. Yes, so x is equals to, first we will put as 0. We will put the x value as what? 0. So what is the y value will become? Y is equals to 3 into x value is 0. 3 zeros are 0. If x is equals to 0, the y value is how much? 0. So x value is 0, y value will be 0. Okay. Similarly, we will take if x is equals to 1. Now we have to take the x value as 1. So y is equals to, again y is equals to, y is equals to, we have the 3 into x, so 3 will remain as it is, the x value is 1. 3 ones are 3. So when the x value is 1, y value is 3. When x value is 1, the y value will be 3. So I think you are getting it. X value is 0, y value is 0, x value is 1, the y value is 1, 3. Similarly, next one more point, if x is equals to 2, y is equals to 3 into 2, because the x value I have substituted as 2 now. 3 to the 6. So if x value is 2, y value is 6. Similarly, last one, if x is equals to 3, so y is equals to 3 into 3, 3 3s are 9. So if x is equals to 3, the y value is how much? 9. So it is 2, then 6, this is 3, then 9. So this is your total answer. This is your total answer. Anyone have a doubt means you can ask me here. So we have got directly the what points, that is which is required, that we have found. No doubt at all. Okay. So anyone, those who have a doubt means you can ask me. Anyone have a doubt? Then we have to draw the graph. Then we have to draw the graph. Similar graph you can draw it. No problem. Similar graph you can draw it. So draw the graph. So here we don't have any negative value. So we have all the values are positive only. So let us move with the positive only. So I can draw like this way now, because no negative values. Yes, all are positive value only. So I can draw like this way. Okay. Then we have to write down the x-axis. I have not taken the negative value, means y value I have not taken more space, because I already told, because it doesn't contain any negative values. So here it will be 0. Okay, the center will be 0. We have to write down the scale. Before going for the scale, one thing we have to remember, first you write down all the x value and y value, because that time it will be easier for you to get that x-axis and y-axis. So here the x-axis we have maximum value is 3. Maximum value is 3, so I have lots of space. So if you want this one, no, actually you can take it down. Little bit I will take it down. Okay. I will take little bit down, because no, it is I'm not getting the space for the. Okay, now it is okay. Okay, now let us take this difference now. So first number I will take it a little bit more specific. I have the lots of space, so I will take here 5 centimeter gap. because I have only 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 centimeter gap I am leaving. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. See here you can I am leaving the 5 centimeters. So here also I have to leave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it will be -1. This is x dash. Yes, we have to do the Cartesian only, because if it is a negative, if you don't have a negative also, what will happen? When we will draw a straight line, no, it will move towards the left hand side also. So we have to draw the Cartesian plane only, xy plane only. Okay. So the negative value is y value is more, that is till 9 we have. So I will not go for the 2 difference. 1, 2, 3. We'll see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It is not possible to get the 9. So I will leave one line only. 1, 2. Here I will make 3, 4. Here I will go for the 5. Here I will go for 6. Here I will go for 7. Here I will go for the 8, and here I will go for the 9. Because in the y-axis I don't have much space, so I have gone through it. Or one thing I can do here to make it clear, I will take this here. Okay, I will take it here so that I will get some space. I might have get on some space for that. I will make a little bit down this one. Okay, this is the, here I have, here we have that graph, and in this graph, okay, so I will kept it on the right hand side so that I can write it on this y-axis a bit more space to get this more space, because it will be nearby, means it will not possible to understand where which point I have joined. So I will take little bit up this axis. I will take little bit up. Okay, it's enough. Okay, now let us give the name for that 1, 2, 3, 4. So here I'll give the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and one more we need, because 9 is there. So one more we need. So let me take little bit up. Okay, enough. This is 9. Okay, this is the way what I have constructed now. So let me give the name for this. Okay, let me adjust here only. So let me give the name for this. X-axis we can write down that I have left the 5 centimeter is equal to 1 unit, and here I have left 2 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. So now let us mark that point. So first point is 0 and 0. So 0 and 0, it will come in the center. Next 1 and 3. So 1 is here in x-axis and 3 is on this axis. So it will meet here. So this is 1 and 3. Third point we have 2 and 6. So 2 is here and 6 is over here. So both of them will meet here. And next one is 3 and 9. So here little bit this one problematic we have. So little bit I will rub this. I will make little bit shorter. Okay, now it is better. So 3 is over here and 9 is over here, and both of them will meet here. Okay, this is a point. So this is a point what they are going to meet. Okay, so now we have to join this. Better I will take it down only. So now it is no confusion. So now you can see all the 4 points what we have got. Just you have to join them from here to here. Take a straight line and join them. If it is not coming in a straight line, how to see that you have done something wrong, but it will come in a straight line. Yes, it will must come in a straight line. Yes, here you can see all these points is coming in a straight line only. All these points. So write down that points. First one is 0 and 0. Second one is 1 and 3. Third one is 2 and 6. and third one is 3 and 9. All these points are in a straight line itself. Okay, so this is your answer. This is your answer. So here you have to write down the equation. Lastly, you have to write down the equation. You can write down the equation. What was the equation for this? Y is equal to 3x. This equation name is nothing but y is equal to 3x. Anywhere you can write down, on the top or on the bottom. So I don't have a space here. So I will write it on the bottom only because I have a little bit space I have in the bottom. So I will increase this. Okay. Now you can see here I will little bit space. So I will write down that equation here. Y is equals to 3x, and this is our answer. So any doubt regarding this, you can ask me. This is your total graph. If you do this much of work, you are going to get the 4 marks. Any doubt regarding this, you can ask me. Otherwise, it is good. And I have given the homework for you. All of you do that homework without fail. You have to do that homework. You have any doubt regarding this? No doubt. Okay, if you don't have any doubt, no problem. Let us meet tomorrow because one more problem we have to go for second main. Second main question I have already written that. No problem. If you want, now I can do, but it's already time. Second one question is here. So according to the question here, we have give the equation of the two lines passing through 2, 14. How many more such lines are there and why? That is a question. That is a question what they have given here. So what is the question actually? What is the question actually here? Here the question is there is one point they have given, that is 2 and 14. Means here x value is 2 and y value is 14. This is in a graph. If you draw the graph, here we have 1, here we have 2, here we have 3, here we have 4, and there is a point 1, 2, 3, so on. This is 12, 13 and 14, and it will continue till more. In this they have given this point. Which point they have given? 2 and 14. Means this point they have given. This point is given as 2 and 14. They are asking how many lines will passes through this point 2 and 14. How many lines it will passes through this point 2 and 14? 14 is here, the y-axis, and the x-axis is 2. Both of them intersecting at here. So how many lines will passes through this 2 and 14? Will you give the answer? How many lines I can draw to this point 2 and 14? How many lines I can draw for this line 2 and 14? Whether I can draw only one line, whether I can draw only 2, only 3, only 4, only 5, or infinite. How many lines I can draw? Quickly. So they have asked you how many more such lines are there. How many lines are there? Just to quickly answer to me. 2 and 14 is the point. 2 is an x-axis and y is on the 14. So how many such lines are there? Okay, you understood the question? You can write down the question later on, no problem. You can write down the question later on. Infinitely many, yes. There are infinitely many because you can draw how much lines you want, you can draw it. It is left to you. You can draw how much line you want, you can draw on that similar single point. Understood? So the answer is infinitely many, but you can't directly write down infinitely many directly. What they have asked you gives the equation of the two lines. Tomorrow I want. Okay, this is the answer. Try to answer it tomorrow. Okay, try to answer it tomorrow. You want to say that what are the two equations? What are the two equations? You have to find it tomorrow. Okay. Yes, it is a proper num. You have to write down this answer for the tomorrow. Okay, so what are the two equations? So here infinitely many equations we have. In that many equation you have to go through the which one is the equation, you have to name it. infinitely many you have, but you have to write any two equation. How to do that? Tomorrow we will understand. We have to write on the equation. How? Yes, I have not explained. Don't worry, I have not explained, Akash yet. Just to go through it, how to find this. Try it, but don't check it anywhere. Just to try it. Tomorrow I will discuss. So it is simple. The x value is 2 and y value is 14. Means when you will add these two numbers, you must get the answer. What? So if you x you will take a 2 and y if you have taken 14. So what is the final answer? X plus 2y is equal to how much? X plus 2y is equal to how much? X plus y is equal to, that is 2 plus 14 is equal to how much? Yes, it is homework only. First one thing I will tell you. X plus y is equal to how much? So 2 plus 14 is equal to 16. Yes. So this is your answer. Yes, Akash. So this is your first equation. Similarly, you can make it little bit change. What you can make? X plus, okay, 2x plus y is equal to how much? How much is the 2x plus y? So x value is how much? 2. So 2 into 2 plus y is equals to 14. So 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 14 is equals to 18. So you can take the second equation as what? 2x plus y is equals to 18. Similarly, you can move on. You can take any equation what you need, what you want. So for example, instead of 2x, you can take here 7x minus y is equals to how much? See, 7 into x value is how much? X value they have given us how much? 2. 2 minus y value is 14. So 2 7 to the 14 minus 14. What is 14 minus 14? What is 14 minus 14? 0. This is our third equation. See, you can take any, if you want 5x minus y you can take, or 5x minus 4y, anything, any equation you can take, but the final answer must be, you have to do the calculation and you have to write it. For example, if you are taking here 5x minus 4y, if you are going to take 5 into x value is how much? 2. Y value is how much? 14. So substitute that. And what is the final answer? Just to go through it. 5 2s are 10 minus 14 4s are 56. So 10 minus 56 negative value. So negative 46. So 5x minus 4y is equals to minus 46. So this is our fourth equation. See how much equation you want, you can make it. So they have told only two to write. Equation of two lines means two equation you have to write on. That's all. Okay, that is your work. Do it, and no need to draw in a graph. No need to draw in a graph. No graph it here. You don't have any graph for this. Only have to write on the equation. And this is the end of the today's class. Tomorrow we will continue. So those who have missed, those who came late and all, you can check it once again in the YouTube. It will be in the YouTube. You can check it anytime. So see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye. You have to find another which your own equation. You have to find, you have to find your own equation, not any other what have solved. No, you have to solve your own equation. Okay.